Are you tired of struggling to make ends meet and you are ready for a proven way to earn significant income? If that is you, then this video is for you. The truth is, so many people are stuck in chasing small opportunities that can barely move a needle. But what I'm about to tell you will make you see earning significant income as simple as ABC. So why not get into it now? You see, real estate, real estate is the game changer. Over the years, real estate has created more millionaires than any other sector. With ease. Whether it's property flipping, renting out spaces, or you investing smartly into landed property, real estate has been the fastest propeller to financial freedom. Now, the best part is this: you don't need to have millions before you can get started. You see, at Garnet Bricks, we are specialized in showing everyday individuals how to turn real estate into consistent stream of income. From low capital entry strategy to fast turnaround property deals. You don't have to stress because we are going to give you the tools. We are going to show you the guidance to start generating results in weeks. Weeks, not years. Now, if you are serious about changing your financial status, then don't wait. Let me quickly tell you something about waiting. Waiting is procrastinating, and procrastination is a thief of opportunities. Now, every day you wait is another opportunity lost. So why not join us today at Garnet Bricks and let's get you started in building your pathway to financial freedom. Below this video, you can see how to contact us, and let's get you started. From me to you, see you at the top.